How can you teach your kids good money habits for life? Hi, I'm Jess Irvine, personal finance expert. I'm in Darling Harbour inside the Moneyverse for the launch of Kit, the new financial capability app for kids. I'm joined by Yish, who is the managing director at Kit. Hi, Yish.
Hi, Jess.
Why is it so important for kids to start building their financial capability at a young age?
Parents and carers are the most important source of financial education for their kids, whether that be through parental role modelling, everyday conversations, and giving their kids hands-on experience with money. It's never too early to start instilling good habits and having those conversations.
And what are 3 ways that Kit does help kids to start building that financial capability?
Firstly, Kit is designed for kids, so it's customizable, fun and visual to help them stay engaged and keeping in touch with their money. Secondly, nudges. We've worked with behavioural scientists to look at tips that will help improve financial behaviour. For example, if a child receives money for the first time, they receive a nudge saying, would you like to save or would you like to spend? Rather than, the automatic, I'll just spend everything. Finally, Kit's Money Quest, which we are launching. With the Money Quest, kids can customise their avatar and they can go on adventures with their sidekick, learning different financial concepts along the way.
That sounds really fun. Thanks, Yish.
Thanks so much, Jess.
You can download the Kit app today for a 30-day free trial, and to learn more, search for Kit on our website.